Okay, hi, welcome back. And then today we want to learn Trigonometric Ratios Part 3 with me, Cikgu, Teacher Adila Tugi. Okay, so the objective for today is determine the value of an angle given the trigonometric ratio and then find the length of one side of the triangle, which is a problem solving question. So before that, we learn the measurement of the angles. Note that the angles is the measures for turning. So means you have two sides. Alright. So how to change 30.2 degrees into degrees, minutes and seconds. So note that this one is a decimal point. So 30.2. We can split it into minutes and seconds. Alright, so before that, 1 degrees is equivalent to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. So it's just like our time. Alright, second to minutes and then minutes to degrees. Alright, so okay, how do I find this? And then how to use your calculator, scientific calculator. Alright, so 30.2 degrees, okay, equivalent to, so this is 30.12, 30 degrees 12 minutes. Okay, next, okay, what about 30.47? Okay, so 60.47 degrees equivalent to 60 degrees 28 minutes. So note that with the same symbol, because of our calculator we don't have the symbol for minute and seconds. So the first one is so this one is 60 degrees 28 minutes and 12 seconds. So when you want to answer, please use the symbol noted. Alright, okay, so how are we going to use 47 degrees and 27 minutes? So 47 degrees 27 minutes equivalent, and then you push back the button, 47.45 degrees. Okay, next, find the angle given the trigonometric ratio. So given that sine theta equals to 0.8377, find the angle of theta. So this is the theta. Sine theta, so this is your questions. Just copy back, sine theta equals to 0.8377. So when you want to have theta, sine, you go over here, you will get sine, arc sine. So how do we find the answer? Through our calculator here. So means arc sine, you look at the word the word sine here, follow the color. So color, so you must use shift sine. So that is your arc sine. So 0.8377, okay, equal to, so this is your degrees, so 56.89. okay, so we want to have round off to 2 decimal places, so it should be 56.890. So if you want to change it to degrees and minute, you just push this one. Okay, so note that the second here is 52 more than 30 seconds. So once you reach 30 seconds, you must plus 1 dekat sini here. So 53 plus 1 equivalent to 54. So let's look at the answer. Okay, so 56 degrees 54 minutes. So 53 seconds, you don't have to show your answer. Alright, once you reach 30 seconds, you must add 1 to the minutes. So on your left. Alright, so example number 2, given that cos theta, so this is a ratio, note that it doesn't have units, any unit, so find the angle of theta. Cos theta equals to 0.8377, and then theta equals to up cos, same as here, so means shift cos 0.8377. Okay, you will get 33.10. So 33.1. So if you want to change, you just push the button here. So means 33 degrees 6 minutes, because 7 is less than 30 seconds. So you don't have to plus 1. Alright, so now we go to the find missing info. Find the length of PQ or Q in meter. So you have the question here. Sign the angle of QRP. So where is the angle? QRP. QRP, so means it is the angle of R. So this is our theta. Okay, so now sine means opposite over hypotenuse. So kah tua. So means opposite is Q, and then hypotenuse is the opposite length of 90 degrees, which is 9. Okay, so we can substitute sine theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse equals to Q over 9. So you must have the pairing system here. So Q over 9 equals to 1 over 3. So letak dekat sini. So we put here. So Q over 9, you have the proportionate. So Q is equivalent to 1 over 3 times 9. So actually Q equals to 3 meter. Alright, so the length of Q is 3 meters. So that is the answer. Okay, so next, this is the problem solving number 1. The diagram on the right shows a ladder leaning against a wall. It forms a right angle triangle of PQR. If the height of QR is 2.5 meter, calculate the length of the ladder, PR in meter. So the length of ladder. State the answer correct to 2 decimal places. So this is problem solving. So we look at the first question, what we should do. So this is a ladder leaning against a wall. So we don't panic. We take the information that been given. So the first one is height of QR is 2.5. QR kat mana? And then the length of ladder PR. So PR over here. QR kat sini. So ini adalah length of ladder, which is the question asks you how to do. So we transform from the problem solving and everyday life, transform to 2D, two-dimensional. So you will get a right angle triangle with the height of 2.5 meter and then the angle of 50 degrees, and you are being asked to find PR. So PR is actually the hypotenuse. So which of the trigonometry that we should use? You got sine theta, you got cos theta, and then you have tan theta. So in order to find this, so means this is the opposite, and then you got hypotenuse, so you should use sine 50 degrees. Remember, you must allocate what kind of trigo, and then right beside the trigo you must have the angle. So meaning we can have one equation, sine 50 degrees equals to 2.5 meter. So don't forget your unit here, meter over PR. So PR is actually the hypotenuse. So apply your algebra. So PR over here, because of division, right? So PR will be times, and then sine 50 degrees will take its place. So divide by. So 2.5 divide by sine 50 degrees. So let's do with our calculator. I push to this side. Okay, how are we going to do this? 2.5 divide by, alright, sine 50 degrees. Okay, tutup kurungan. And then you will get 3.2635. Okay, T3, sorry. Okay, 3.263. So if you want to state the answer correct to 2 decimal place, note that 3 is less than 5, so you don't have to plus 1 for the next to the next significant figure there. So 3.26 meter. Don't forget your unit. Okay, so thank you very much. Hope that you understand the overview. Alright, so have fun, stay safe, and enjoy your learning.